Mastering the Studio application. How to create folders for assets. There are two ways to create folders for any assets you have in Studio. Method 1. Create a folder from selection. In the Studio application, select all assets you want to move into a folder. Right-click while selected and choose New Folder with selection. Enter a name for the folder and select OK. The folder will be created and assets moved automatically into it. Double-clicking on the folder will open it and reveal the assets inside. Double-clicking the folder or arrow, depending on view, will return you to the previous level. The folder name can be viewed when in list view or small thumbnail view. It is not visible in large thumbnail view unless you hover over the folder or open it. Removing a folder will not delete the assets inside it. They will be moved to the top level, outside of any folder. Method 2. Create a folder first, then move any files. In the Studio application, right-click in the Asset panel and select New Folder. Enter a name for the folder and select OK. The folder will be created and appear in the list. Select any assets to move into the folder. Right-click and in the menu select Move to Folder. Choose the folder from the list and the assets will be moved into the folder. Double-clicking on the folder icon will open it and reveal the assets inside. Double-clicking the folder or arrow, depending on view, will return you to the previous level. Up next, creating a simple layout.